So hello there and good morning to you. Today I'm out to climb one of Scotland's best known mountains and photographed mountains. There, it's there behind me. So that's today's target. It's a bit cloudy, just around about it, but the forecast is to brighten up, so fingers crossed. So stick with me, hope you enjoy the video and we'll see how we got on today. Cheers! Hello there. That's me starting to heat up a wee bit. It's getting obviously a wee bit warm with these layers on, so I'm going to need to maybe ditch a layer in my hat. As I go into this quarry there'll probably be no wind, so say aye, getting a bit warm. So I'm heading right up the quarry to up to the Buachaille. You can see a wee bit of snow just in a wee gully up there. That's roughly for where I'm heading. Yes, that's me at the top of the quarry at the Buachaille now. We're getting some views. What's a cold wind? There's a quarry there, some people coming up behind me. All hands were required there, it was a wee bit slippy underfoot as well, so never really done any filming at that top section. As I say, it was just a wee bit slippy. That's a bit is quite well known in the depths of winter if there's a lot of snow for avalanche. Luckily there was no snow there, but still a wee bit slippy underfoot. Oh, it's chilly. that's where I'm headed now. So they fellas that's just came up behind me from Germany, they asked me to take a photograph of them. It was just absolutely crazy what people come up in the mountains with. Just like Adidas trainers and jeans on. Crazy. Jogging trousers. Don't know how they got up that bit with Adidas trainers on, that was quite slippy. Crazy. Just about at the summit. Well, that is the views as I've got to the summit. It's just about 11:30. The forecast is for it to improve, so I'm hoping some of these clouds disappear shortly. Third time I've been at this summit. Fantastic. Let's hope some of this cloud disappears and we'll get great views. Right, I'm going to drop down out the wind a wee bit, try and get a bit of shelter, get a coffee and a sandwich. You can't beat a nice hot drink up in the mountains. Lovely. Wee sandwich coming next. I'm only maybe about, I don't know, 100 metres, less than that for the summit. The German boys are up there. Hopefully that's the sun breaking through. Get that cloud away. Blue skies, I can see blue skies over that way. Oh, we're getting the views now. What a day. Chilly wind though. Oh. Bird. fantastic. And away down there at the wee wooded areas where the car park is. I need this wind to die down a wee bit so I can try and get the drone up. Try and get some good footage. See what happens in the next 5 or 10 minutes. So this is me just below the Buachaille there. This is the section where you need to go back down the quarry, so I'll need to be careful here because it was quite slippy on the way up. Let's give you a wee look where I'm going, down there. Aye, so need to be careful, so camera away for the moment. Need the hands and to grip the rock and stuff, so need to be careful here. Cheers it out. Aye, so I'm about halfway down the quarry now. I'm off the steep section, so that's hopefully the worst out the road. Some of that's quite steep and slippy up there, so you need to be quite careful. There's 3 people right at the very top of it, just about to come down. If the camera can pick that up. Just to the right hand side of the wee snow gully. Aye, quite an impressive quarry. Can you imagine this all full of deep snow and ice? Right, I'll show you where I've still to go. So I have to make my way down there. Still a wee bit to go. It's 20 to 3, so hopefully we'll be back for about 4. We'll see how it goes. But hopefully that's the worst section out the road now. Just say they 3 guys or 3 people just right at the edge coming down. I personally went out a wee bit because that's the way I came up. I think they should be more over to the right hand side. Right, let's get a wee move on. What a day it's been, brilliant. Look at this quarry. Look at it on this side. Off, they look as if they've come down right at a steep bit. Right, let's get a move on this time. So hello there. As you can see, I'm not that far from the car park now, so my wee day's nearly finished. What a brilliant day it's been. Fantastic wee winter walk on one of the most famous Munros and photographed Munros. And brilliant. The weather just cleared, lovely timing up at the summit. That the Buachaille there, that's the third time I've done that. That was my very first winter Munro back in November 2006. It was absolutely covered in a fresh dump of snow. It was absolutely brilliant. First time I'd really been up in the mountains with the snow and seen it. The whole place was absolutely covered white. Brilliant. At that stage I didn't even have gaiters on, as I was just getting into the hill walking. But after that, obviously, we didn't go up here. My feet and my trousers were absolutely drenched that day, soaking. But still, what a brilliant day. And I'll maybe put a couple of photos from that time at the end of this video. Aye, my first winter Munro back in 2006. Done it with the people that I met on the West Highland Way that summer. The guide, Sean, sadly no longer with us, he took us up and booked us into the Clackaig for after it. A great weekend. Couldn't believe it, coming from Glasgow, never really been into the hills before, it was just brilliant. Aye, third time. Second time was done it with a guide and the other Munro at the back. That was just a miserable, wet, windy affair. I don't even know if I've got photos of that day. That was brutal. So it was good to get a wee revisit to this one. Great Munro. Before all the snow and ice fills that quarry. Right, I'm going to finish the video here. As I say, I'm nearly at the car park. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've watched up to now, thanks very much. And again, if you watch any of my other ones, really appreciated. As I say, I know there's that many people doing these hill walking videos now, so if anybody watches mine, I'm really grateful. So yes, thank you. Hope you enjoyed it. Cheers and now folks, bye. Remember folks, if you enjoyed this video, please like, leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you. More videos coming soon.